Khan Academy, Divide Decimals. We are working on the subtopic Divide Whole Numbers by Decimals Visually. So in this one, each large square is one whole, and we are going to use the images below to figure out 3 divided by 0.30. So what they've done is, you can imagine each of these as like one whole pizza, okay, or one whole candy bar. And then what they've done is they've shaded in 30 sections out of each, okay, because 0.30 would be 30 hundredths, and they've shaded in 30 hundredths. So this purple bar is a section of 30 hundredths. This green one is 30 hundredths. This purple one is 30 hundredths. This green combined with this green is 30 hundredths. So if you have 3 wholes and you divide them into sections of 30 hundredths, how many sections do you have? Well, we have 1 section right here. We have 2, 3. This together is 4, 5, 6. This together is 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 wholes divided into sections of 30 hundredths is 10. 6 divided by 0.4 or 4/10. So here we have 6 full candy bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they are divided into sections of 4/10. So if you look, 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 10 are shaded in. And then green, 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 10 are shaded in. So how many groups of 4/10 do we have? Well, we have 1 here, 2, this one and this one together is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this one and this one together is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, this one and this one is 13, 14, 15. Use the number line to help visualize 3 divided by 5/10. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and they've separated it into 5/10, which is also the same as a half. So here's a section of 5/10, and then here's a section of 5/10, a section of 5/10, a section of 5/10, a section of 5/10, and a section of 5/10. So how many sections do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 divided into halves would be 6. Okay, again, they have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they divided it by 0.25 or 25 hundredths. So each section here is 25 blocks. It's 25 out of a total of 100. So here's a section of 25. Here's a section of 25 hundredths, a section of 25 hundredths, a section of 25 hundredths. So we just need to figure out if we have 5 wholes and we split them into sections of 25 hundredths, how many sections are we going to have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 5 divided into 25 hundredths, or 0.25, is 20.